Had to grab some cash out. I don't know why every time we go to a shop they want to take this off and do that and inspect that and look at this just for an oil change. I did get a call from Treasure Island saying I had $40 in free slot play, so we're down 20. That didn't go well. Came to the Palazzo. We're gonna go to Grimaldi's Pizza. Lost like 30 bucks in there. You hungry?
I am hungry.
We got some Grimaldi's Pizza for you.
Can we do we make it? Fair girl. That's the life of JT. He gon' keep it real what he's thinking. Hey. Can we do we make it? Keep it 100, we don't fake it. Hey.
What is up, life crushers out there? We are finally back with a new video. If you're liking the vlogs in Vegas, hit that subscribe button, hit the little bell for notifications, hit the thumbs up, and leave a comment down below. Let's get going on this mission. Had to grab some cash out. We have a small budget. We're not going crazy. I think I took 200 out or somewhere around there. So should have a fun day on the strip, but now we got to go do some laundry. Made it back home from the laundry. We're gonna put the laundry away, then we gotta go get mom's oil changed. Just got the oil changed. I don't know why every time we go to a shop they want to take this off and do that and inspect that and look at this just for an oil change. They never said anything was wrong, but it was kind of annoying. But now we're gonna head to the strip. It said I had $40 free play at Treasure Island. Made it to Treasure Island. As you know, this is always our spot we start off with because it's free parking. It's easy to get in here. You just take Buffalo to Spring Mountain and you're right here. So let's go check it out. I did get a call from Treasure Island saying I had $40 in free slot play. So let's hit something on the slot play. Screw digging in our wallet and trying to bring out our money. Let's hit something on the slot play and take that money. Maybe we'll walk down the strip. We're gonna do our food review, but let's go. free play and $10 point play. So 30 free play, and Mom actually got $10 free play. So we're gonna try these Buffalo machines right here. Hopefully we hit something on the free play. So we're down 20. I was up about 30, but I kept playing. So down 20 so far. We got a few bonuses and they weren't big at all. One was actually only $1.60 just for the 3 coins. So we're gonna try something else though. That didn't go well. Down about 90 bucks at Treasure Island. We're gonna head somewhere else for a little bit. Here at the Palazzo. To the Palazzo, we're gonna go to Grimaldi's Pizza and put in 5 and cashed out 21. So our reservations are ready, so we're gonna go there now. We just got out of the Palazzo. Lost like 30 bucks in there. It was all good. But we did go to Grimaldi's Pizza, and I'll have to let you guys see this food review. But I'll say thumbs up on that one.
Never seen a thing like me. Don't see the light, had one, now 3. It's dead to rights, I killed this spree. Yeah, I killed it. Flying to heights you'll never see. Like a red tights in your degree. Lay down tonight, my bed's not free. No, my bed's not free. Big back, no heart attack. You got a bad, no this and that. This bad won't take her back. No, it won't, can't take her back. We got 2 minutes now before you call my ass again. Yeah, I switched you on the speakerphone. Play this song, just sing along. Da 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 da. I said da 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 da. Song, sing along. Da 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 da. I said da 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 da. Play this song, just sing along.
Here to the Flamingo, put 10 in, nothing. But I think we're gonna head back to Treasure Island, and we gotta start heading home. But thank you guys for watching the videos. I definitely appreciate that. Make sure you are subscribed if you haven't already. Hit the thumbs up, and you'll probably see some buffalo hits, hopefully, at the end of this vlog. One more thing I almost forgot. Mom wants to give this pizza to a homeless guy, but we saw like 4 of them and they were all twacked out, so I was like, I don't know, like, so we're gonna walk back, hopefully we find someone. You hungry? We got some Grimaldi's pizza for you.
That's for you, honey.
Yeah.
Da 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 da.